India at Women's Hockey World Cup 2026 field full schedule, opponents, key players, and where to watch. India's Women's Hockey World Cup 2026 journey groups, fixtures, format, and what to expect. India's women's hockey side will enter the 2026 FIH Women's Hockey World Cup with a major challenge ahead. Drawn against some of the world's strongest teams, India will need consistent performances from the opening match if they hope to progress deep into the tournament. India's Pool D opponents. India have been placed in Pool D, where they will face China, South Africa, and England. The group presents a difficult test, with China and England positioned higher than India in the world rankings. India will therefore need to produce their best hockey from the very beginning to secure a place in the next stage. Calendar India's World Cup fixtures. August 16. India vs. China 4:30 p.m. August 18. India vs. South Africa 6:30 p.m. August 20. India vs. England 6:30 p.m. These three matches could prove crucial in determining India's route through the competition. Television. Where can fans watch in India? Indian viewers can follow the FIH Women's Hockey World Cup through Star Sports and Jio Hotstar, subject to the broadcaster's final coverage schedule. Trophy. How does the tournament work? The teams finishing in the top two positions of each pool advance to the second group phase. At that stage, they will play additional matches against teams progressing from another pool. For Pool D, the qualifying teams will meet the leading sides from Pool A. The top teams from Pool B and Pool C will also be paired together. Every result in the opening stage can be extremely valuable because the result between the two teams that advance from the same pool is carried into the next phase. That means teams are fighting not only for qualification, but also for the strongest possible position heading into the second round. After the second group phase, the top two teams from each group will book their places in the semifinals. If India reach that stage, they could potentially face strong international opposition, with teams such as the Netherlands, Australia, Chile, or Japan among the possible contenders, depending on how the groups unfold. For India, the mission is clear. Start strongly, collect valuable points, and build momentum toward the knockout rounds.